How are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm sorry, just wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me well?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Yeah, okay. So I've just picked you randomly on Cambly, so I didn't have a chance to read over your profile. So can you
Okay.
introduce a little bit? Yeah.
Yeah, my name is John, and I'm from South Africa. Yeah, and what's your
Yeah.
name?
Yeah, nice to meet you. My
Yeah,
name
it's nice
is
to meet you.
Jinsy.
Jinsy
Yeah, and I come from Vietnam.
from Vietnam. Okay, very nice
Yes.
country. Yeah, it's
Oh,
good,
have you
good
ever
place.
been to this country?
I have a friend who used to live there for 3 years,
Oh,
and
really?
yeah, and she was teaching English there, and she told me about the country. She told me it's a really nice place. It's a good
Yeah.
country to live. hmm Yeah.
And have you have a chance to visit?
No, myself personally, I haven't. But I have met lots of people, such as yourself, from Vietnam as well.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
So,
Um,
like, what did you hear about Vietnam?
well, from my friend, I heard that there's lots of nice places to visit. The beaches are really nice. Places that
Yeah.
she was living in. I don't know what the city is called. I think it's Hanoi. I'm not sure if
Mhm.
it is Hanoi, where the beach is like next to the beach,
Ah,
next to
yeah,
the ocean, the sea.
yeah. Actually, Hanoi is the capital.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So yeah,
yeah.
she told
So
me it was really nice.
yeah, that's good that you that you can remember the name.
And the food was really nice as well. Like lots of
Yeah,
different kinds of food over there. What's the one called? Pho, I think. Pho.
yeah, yeah,
Am I
yeah.
saying it right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Like every foreigners, almost every Vietnamese who introduce Vietnamese food to foreigners,
Mm,
they would
yeah,
introduce pho. Yes,
pho. Yeah,
yeah. So many people know about the pho.
pho, and also the other food is dim sum. I think so.
Dim sum. Yeah,
I'm saying it right. Yeah.
yeah. But I think dim sum is original in China. China,
Okay, so it's originally from China.
from China. Yeah.
You would say it like that. Originally from China.
Mm.
Originally from China. Okay. Oh, I thought it was Korean. Sorry, Vietnamese
Originally.
rather. I thought it
Yeah.
was Vietnamese, but as you say, it's originally from China, and pho is originally from Vietnam.
Yeah. So pho is originally from Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about your country?
Uh huh.
Yeah.
You talking about the food? If there's like original food,
Yeah, the
um,
food.
we don't have lots of variety like you have in Vietnam. There's like much more variety, but we have a mixture of Indian food and also Asian food like Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, and Japanese. Lots of different kinds of food.
Yeah,
Um, but
fantastic.
but the local food, there's not a lot of local dishes.
Yeah.
But the one that I can share with you is this one. It's called Gatsby. So you just need to check on Google Gatsby food from South
Mm.
Africa, or rather from Cape Town. It's indigenous to Cape Town. Okay,
Gatsby.
so Gatsby is a South African dish.
Ah, Gatsby.
So
Okay.
it's like a huge roll piece of bread with chips on it and meat and vegetables. It's like a big piece, big sandwich. It's bigger than a sub. Like you
Yeah.
get the sub sandwiches, but it's much bigger than a sub, and it's much thicker. So it's the bread is about that thick, thicker
Wow.
than my
Yeah. I
face.
I've just checked it on internet and
Yeah,
wow, it's very big.
very big.
Yeah, it's like bread,
It's
bread
bread
and
and you have fries or chips on it,
yeah, yeah, and tomato,
a tomato and
tomato
some
meat.
lettuce and meat.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of the same as one traditional food in Vietnam which called bánh mì.
Can you type the name? I want to search for it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I
Sure.
want to see how it looks.
Here.
Okay, so you're saying it's the same as this one. Let's see over
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me
So
food.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. So can you like if you just say if you just search for bánh mì, maybe it's just show you some pictures of bread. But okay, so to be more specific, you can
Okay.
type bánh mì get it.
Uh, what should I type with it? Oh, yeah, but looks like the Gatsby sandwich.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so but I'll type
and
in this one that you sent me now. So yeah,
yeah,
this one similar, but these
it's
ones are
kind
much
of
smaller.
similar. Yeah, yeah, it is. It's much it's much smaller.
It's much smaller. Yeah,
Yeah.
the
So I
Gatsbys are
can
huge. Like the Gatsby is so huge.
yeah,
I don't
so
know whoever
you have
invented
to
it.
use Gatsby. You have to use knife to cut cut it.
Definitely, most of the time you need to. But I have seen one person eating one by himself without cutting it, and he
Wow,
just eats it.
really? Oh, wow, amazing.
I could never do that because I need to cut it up into four pieces, and
Yeah,
one of the four pieces is big enough for me. Like if you cut it in four, the fourth piece is like that big, and
yeah,
that's so big for you. It's like enough for you for one person.
yeah.
So
So I
basically, four
guess like
people can eat it. Four
four
people,
people can eat one Gatsby.
at least four people. Yeah, I think even
Wow,
six or
just
seven
four
people
people.
would be able to eat one Gatsby.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah. So bánh mì is like one part of Gatsby.
that's right. It's like one part of the
Yeah.
Gatsby. It's the So
Mhm.
we also get what we call the mini Gatsby. So if you don't want to have like a big one, then you can buy the mini one.
Ah,
So you would just put the word mini in, or you would order a
Gatsby.
mini.
Mini
And a
Gatsby.
mini
Like
is enough for two people actually because it's so big.
oh
It's
my
like half
god.
of the Gatsby. So it's half of the big one,
Yeah.
and two people can share the mini.
So like if I just wanna eat myself, I can call. Can I have a mini of mini Gatsby?
A mini of a mini.
Yeah.
They don't do that. You'll have to buy the mini and then cut it in half and then put the other half away for later or something. So you eat
Yeah.
half of it and that's like enough for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Interesting.
that's the South African food. I've never seen it anywhere else,
Mhm.
other than like what you told me now, and also the subs. They look similar, but they're not the same.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
What else is? Yeah, there's this one called biltong. This is originally
Biltong.
South African biltong.
Biltong. Biltong.
Biltong. So in the USA, they have what they call jerky. It's similar, but it's not the same because the process of
Yeah.
making it is different. And in South Africa, we use different kinds of meat to make the
Yes.
biltong. So it's basically dried meat. Sometimes we
Mm.
dry it outside in the sun, and people have machines that they use as well to dry it out.
Yeah.
So
Oh
biltong
wow.
is really good.
Wow. Yeah. I see a lot of picture here.
Yeah, biltong.
Wow. So people
Do you have
try
something?
the
Okay.
meat. People will try the meat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what it is. It's dried pieces of meat.
Mm.
Yeah, beef. You get beef,
Beef.
chicken. What's the other one? Ostrich as well. That's very popular here. Ostrich. type the name, the ostrich. It's a type of bird.
Ostrich. Oh.
It's a huge bird, and this bird is indigenous to South Africa,
Oh,
and
okay,
there are many,
okay.
many ostrich forms. So ostrich meat is really popular
Yeah. Oh, so I can try this kind of food in Africa.
in South Africa.
South
Maybe not the other
South
African
Africa.
places, but in South Africa.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah,
would taste like original, so it's better taste.
yeah. It tastes really good. I'm just trying to think of some other original South African dishes because, like I said, there's not a lot, so I need to Google this. South African
Yeah.
food. Let's see, South African
Wow.
food. So, like I said, there is the Indian food, but it's a type of Indian curry that's made in South Africa called Cape Malay curry,
Oh wow. Yeah, like I thought that Indian curry is very popular in the world.
and this is a South African version of it.
Yeah.
So
Also,
it's
Africa version.
the version of Indian curry. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Fantastic. So how about the drink?
Um,
The drink.
we are known for the wine that we produce over here. South African wine is, according to what I've heard from people, it's some of the best wine comes from South Africa.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you do come to South Africa, you'll go on the wine tour and you'll test I mean, if you do drink wine, you'll drink the wine and test it just to see the wine, South African wine.
Yeah.
Um,
Wow. Interesting. So I want to see your favorite drink and your favorite food.
um, I have many different favorite foods, and if it has to be South African food, then I would say the biltong is my favorite one, and
Yeah.
also the curry, and also
Hmm.
the Gatsby. Obviously, Gatsby is my favorite. Okay, but these are
Gatsby.
South African foods. Gatsby. The Gatsby. You remember
Gatsby.
sandwich that I showed
Gatsby.
you?
Yeah,
Gatsby,
yeah.
yeah.
Gatsby.
The Great Gatsby. There's a story called The Great Gatsby. I don't know if you've seen that movie, The Great Gatsby,
Yeah.
but it's a
No, I
movie about a
haven't.
man in America, not the food. It's the guy's name is Gatsby.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not food. If you just type in Gatsby and you'll find the movie, not the food.
Yes. Actually, when the first time I typed Gatsby on internet, it
Yeah,
show some pictures of a man.
yeah, that's the
Yeah.
movie. And I'm sure you know Leonardo DiCaprio, the
Yes.
actor. He's Gatsby in the movie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Like at first I don't notice much. I just say I just type Gatsby on internet and it
yeah,
shows um the pictures of human. So I
of the
just,
man.
oh
Yeah,
no, I have to add the good food. So
yeah,
yeah, I received the right pictures.
yeah. And it used to be funny for me and for us growing up because when I was at high school, in my final year of high school, we needed to do a book review of Gatsby. So that was the book we did in our English class,
Yeah.
Gatsby. And we always used to make fun and make jokes and say, hey, let's go and eat a Gatsby now. And then we would take the book and try to eat the book.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Yeah. I mean, you'll only get that joke in South Africa because they don't really have Gatsby's in the US or in
Yes,
England.
yes. Just if only they know what exactly Gatsby is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, oh my
So,
God, yeah, we're running out of time. So it's really nice talking to you today.
yeah, hopefully we'll see each other again next time.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so
Okay.
please take care and
You
I'll
too.
see you.
Take care.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye bye. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Okay.
you.